like with my mask. Here's me without my mask. Hello. So you'll be seeing me more wearing my mask than without, but that's okay. You'll also be having your masks on, so I can't wait to see what your masks look like. So this year, we are going to be sitting at desks. So you can see everybody's going to have their own supplies inside their desk. Oh, hi Mrs. Collins.
Hi, Miss Myers. Oh, thank you for putting your mask on. We're going to be so safe this year. I wish I could hug you, but about a high five in the air. Hi, friends. I am so excited that you're coming to kindergarten. I'm Mrs. Collins, and sometimes I come in and visit. So I can't wait to see you. Bye, Miss Myers.
Bye, Mrs. Collins. Thanks for coming in. Now, boys and girls, you notice another adult in our room. This is Miss Amico. She is going to be our helper teacher.
Hi, boys and girls.
So this is our classroom, and we can't wait until we see all of your faces in here next Tuesday. Until then, have a great rest of your summer.